Hello, my peeps, and welcome to another power-packed podcast. Yeah, buddy. Don't be thunderstruck. The EOC will be here before you know it. Please take a minute to familiarize yourself with your MSAs for today. Today's podcast is going to be sponsored by Lesson 10.2. Still working with parabolas. Yeah, cool parabolas. Alrighty, we talked about a vertex the other day in our podcast. And we said the vertex is where the parabola has its highest point or its lowest point. Sometimes they're not going to use the word vertex. They're going to say, ooh, scary word, maximum. That'd be the highest point or the vertex. And other times, they're going to use this other scary word, minimum. That's also known as the vertex. That's the lowest point. And remember, we said the parabola will open down, frown face, if the coefficient in front of the x squared is negative. And we said the parabola will open up, smiley face, if the coefficient in front of the x squared is positive. Please write down the trinomial. Nice vocabulary. Da, Blackhawks. Y equals 2x squared plus 8x plus 7. We have to match up this trinomial with the correct graph or picture. Remember, because this trinomial has a coefficient in front of the x squared of positive, it's going to open up. So this one opens up, this one opens up, this one opens up, and this one opens up. So our friend Poe here didn't help us any. But maybe Poe can help us out in a couple minutes. Alrighty. We are going to find our vertex. We said memorize. X equals negative b over 2a, baby. Because that is not going to be on your reference sheet. So we said the first three letters of the alphabet are A, B, C. Oh, sorry. Too much sugar in my coffee. So 2 is going to be the letter A. 8 is going to be B, and you got it. Cool cat. 7 is going to be C. So let's substitute, plug, and chug. We're going to put 8 in for the variable B. we're going to put 2 in for the letter A. No, 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 no! It's not 22. You should have had some coffee like I did. It's 2 times 2 because they're touching each other. No, I'm not sharing my coffee with you. Get your own. This would be -8 over 2 times 2, which is 4. -8 divided by 4 would give you -2. So x is -2. Now, let's find the letter y. Now that we know that x was -2, we can substitute -2 back in for x. That's right, plug and chug, like I plugged the coffee maker on, and I chugged to making some coffee. Yeah, plug and chug. So I'm going to rewrite the problem as y equals 2 times the quantity -2, exponent of 2, don't forget your exponent, don't forget the sugar in the coffee, plus 8 times -2 plus 7. Come on, can't you move any faster? I need some more coffee. -2 to the second power would be -2 times -2, which is +4. Much better. Times that by 2. Add 8. Oh wait, no, let's do order of operations. Let's multiply those. Sorry, coffee's wearing off. 8 times -2 is -16. Then we have our +7. Now let's see. 2 times 4 gives me 8. -16, copy the problem. +7. Remember, I remember because I had my coffee. If I have adding and subtracting in the same problem, I go from left to right. That gives me -8. I add 7. That gives me -1. So y is going to be -1. Booyah! -1. Are you ready for a brain break? I am. Let's take a quick brain break.
Sully. And I'm Force. And we are the Vancouver Canucks Green Men. The first Canucks game we went to was December 23rd, 2009. It was just supposed to be a one-time thing. We thought, let's go hang out by the penalty box. The crowd went wild, and it just kind of became a big thing. We tried to get into the player's head in the penalty box. Like, we got the seats right next to the box. If you can get in the player's head and just screw with them a little bit, you can knock them out of that zone. It's hard to get back in there. We like to break down the game film, see what we did wrong, see what we can improve. That's nice. It's good form. Vancouver Canucks are kind of the Chicago Cubs of hockey. It's the 40th year of the team, and we've never won a Stanley Cup. So when we set out on this, we said we weren't going to stop until the Canucks win the Stanley Cup.
Hopefully they have better luck than the Cubs. My vertex is going to be -2, -1. -2, -1. Ooh, that's not in the right spot. -2, -1. Ooh, that's not in the right spot, but it's close. -2, -1. Cub-like. Thanks for playing. Ooh, what? Oh, yes. Good job, young grasshopper. -2, -1. Ding, 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 ding. If you want your cup of coffee, you can meet me at Dunkin' Donuts Saturday morning. See ya. Wouldn't wanna be ya. Later, alligator. In a while, crocodile.